Hi everyone, welcome to Project of the Day. My name is Tobias and today I have something for you. We're gonna go through this contraption. I always get a storm of comments when I show a picture where I'm testing this one. So as you can see, I've been testing this for a while now to see if it works, how it works and so on. So I can give you my honest review of this one. And for today's sake, I bought a brand new one that I'm gonna test today. So, do you think this works or not? Pause the video and write the comment down below. And I will walk it through and explain everything around this thingy. I don't know what to call it. So this thing is a Oregon PowerSharp. So it's developed and managed by Oregon. And I have bought, when you buy it, you buy this, the plastic thing, and it including a bar, because you need a special bar to make this work. And the difference between, let's see, here we have my standard steel bar, and here is the Oregon bar. And as you can see, there is 2 holes in the end. And those holes are made to fit on here. So you get it directly in the right place. And when you sharp it, you squish it here, like this, against something. And this one is going out. And everyone is always screaming, but you're destroying the chain. Yeah, but when you buy this kit, you also need to buy this Oregon PowerSharp chain. This including, I can see it, a chain and a new sharpening stone. So every time you change the chain, you change the sharpening stone also. So it will follow the chain. And this chain is made for sharpening on the outside. So if you're using this kit with a normal chain, you will destroy the chain. You need a power sharpened chain that's made to sharpen the outside. And if we here you see the stone. It's the same material that you have in a grinder for your bench grinder for the sharpening chain. And here is the chain. I will try to get it in better view with another lens. But here's the chain. And on one spot on the chain, there is a special link. This one is made to grind the grinding stone. So this will dress the grinding stone correctly. And as you can see, this chain doesn't have a gullet that you sharpen. It's made to sharp here on the tip. But does this really work? So I was thinking we're going to put on this chain and test it, catalog. And then I bought brand new Oregon chain. This is a standard chain, so we will compare them in cutting speed. And we will try to sharpen this a couple of times and see does it still work and compare it to the normal chain. So let's try it. So I was thinking we're going to cut this log. Start cutting around here so we don't get any knots in it. And then we first out a regular chain. And this is a small battery powered saw. It's a steel MSA 2220. So it's not the speediest saw, but it works for the test. That was with a normal saw. I don't know the time, we have to check the video. Now we have a brand new chain made for power sharpening. It was really good, I'm a bit surprised. Now I will try to run it in the ground or something. We can take it here. It's gravel under here. Let's see if it's on the dull. Yeah, now it's really dull. So let's try to sharpen it. And then we'll put it on the bar, like this. And close the lid. I think they're stating 3 seconds. So, 3 seconds. And then you see, it says sharpen against the stone here. Does it work now? Or is it like everyone on the internet stating you have destroyed the chain? It's not like the new chain, but still okay. We should try it one more time. See if we can destroy the chain by doing it again. Oh. Let's try. Oh. What do I think? To be honest, when using this thing, you're never gonna get a chain that is the same sharpness as a standard chain out in the forest. So I would never use a chain like this going out in the forest and tear down trees or fallen trees. But for a homeowner in the garden, I think this is perfect. I use this type of chain when I'm going out and milling around, go out with my sawmill, because lots of log have been dragged in the dirt and so on, and I use this to cut off knots and so on that is sticking out from the log, and those are always pulled in the gravel, so I can cut it off. The chain get dull, the first cut, sharpen 3 seconds, take the next knot, standing with a file. It works fine if you have cleaner material to cut in, but if you dull the chain almost every cut, I think, to be honest, this is a really good thing. But if you're going out in the forest and work for a day, leave this at home and buy a new normal chain. But if you are in the garden and you're gonna take some road that you need to cut off or something, this works perfectly fine, to be honest. So the only thing is that we haven't talked about price. It's a bit pricey. A bar, this bar and this thing cost about, let's say, 30-35 bucks. And the chain with the grinding stone is around the same price, 30 to 35 bucks, little depending on the saw. And a normal chain for this saw is at least here in Sweden, 20 bucks. So you get almost 2 chain for the price of one of these. So if you are a homeowner, buy 2 chain and have someone else sharpen one while you're using the other one. It's a possibility, but for occasional use, I think this is a good working thing. So I think this is really interesting since it gets so much hate on the net. But no one really knows how it works. And you shouldn't buy the cheap one you find on Amazon, because then you just get this thing. And if you use this on a normal chain, you will destroy it. There is no doubt of it. You need a real PowerSharpen chain. So buy the original, the Oregon. And I think there is a couple of more brands that have it in the States. But here in Sweden, at least the only thing you can get is the Oregon. So you need this. And you need the correct sharpening stone. And you need the correct chain and the correct bar. So don't try this on a normal chain. You will destroy it. And if you like this video, share it between your friends. Give it a thumbs up. And if you like more of this type of content, follow me. Until next time, bye.